I'm Nia Gwyn and I'm in Clytemnestra. I play Fury 1, which is an otherworldly entity born of rage and revenge. My job is to prompt Clytemnestra to revenge the death of her daughter. I'm not very cheery. I'm not very cheery. Quite mean. Quite manipulative. So nothing like what I'm like in real life.
Hello, I'm Airy. I play Chorus 1 and a Proto-Fury. What's a Proto-Fury? It's the voice or embodiment of the unconscious. And that's what a Fury is. A Proto-Fury is partially formed. Which is challenging. Yeah, I would say it's a muscular play in many ways. And the script is muscular. There's a lot of movement in the way we're portraying and we're doing the script, and it's poetic. It suits the subject, and so it's finding that poetry in motion.
Hello, I'm Rhian Blythe and I play Electra in Clytemnestra. There's a play called Electra, obviously, and this happens before that play. So at this point she's quite young. We're taking it that she's around 20, and this is the first time that she's had to kind of be the adult and try and take charge, because her mother is kind of starting, well, she sees it as she's starting to lose the plot, so she has to try and keep things together, basically. Quite tiring. It looks easy, but it's not at all. I'm sweating. It's good though. It's I do feel really tired at the end of the day, but a good tired. Like I've done a good job.